We got Super Pete Smith here today, and you brought us a Nova. Tell us about this bad boy.
Pretty nice car. Everything works and everything runs out and drives really good. And it's a 67. It's got the 350 ramjet fuel injected engine in it. Overdrive transmission.
It's all original,
Yeah.
though. I
It's
mean,
pretty
minus
much
the motor,
Yeah.
aftermarket air in there.
Yeah.
I mean, if you walk around here and look at the inside of this car, first thing I notice, I'm 99% sure those are original seat covers.
Yeah.
Original door panels. This thing is gorgeous. I mean, Pete, how long have you owned this thing?
I just owned it about 2 months.
You like it?
Yeah, I like driving it. It runs out the best. It's got power steering on it. They didn't come, very few come with power steering on
No.
it. Yeah.
I mean, vinyl top,
Yeah.
butternut yellow. It doesn't need anything.
No, you get it drive.
You
Go
need to
anywhere.
drive this.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, the trunk.
Yeah, the trunk's beautiful. It's got the bumper jack and everything's still in it.
For a 1967, you don't see trunks like this. You know, really don't. This thing is clean. It's beautiful. And
They added the power antenna.
does it work?
Yeah, it works. Yeah. As soon as you turn the key on, the power antenna shoots up.
This is your cruiser. You
Yeah.
need to drive this every
I just
day.
need to keep this and hang on to it.
You do. You don't keep anything. Keep this one. Pete. You look good driving it too, I'm sure, man. Hey, we're happy as heck that Pete drove this car by. You don't get to see 6.7s very often. A Nova Super Sport. Thanks for bringing it by, man.
Thanks.